You know, one of the things that we deal with here, we talk about with the temperatures increasing, the above average potential for an active hurricane season. Well, so far for the next week or so, really, and I'll be honest with you, the next 2 weeks or so, look at the extended forecast models, not seeing major development expected across the Atlantic basin hurricane-wise. We've got upper level winds that are really disrupting anything before it gets started, and a lot of dust over the Atlantic right now from the Saharan desert. So tropical development not expected over the next week or so at least, and that's good news for us here, especially when we get to deal with those hurricanes this time of year, or at least in the next few months. As we check out right now, the top of the tower sky view looking back towards downtown, looking good, just some cloud cover out there, and that's really actually breaking apart in a lot of locations, turning partly cloudy now across the region. That's going to allow us to warm up, but not as bad as it has been, nor not as bad as it will be tomorrow. 85 degrees right now in Raleigh-Durham's at 84 degrees. Fayetteville checking in at 85 at this hour as well. This afternoon, we'll warm just a few more degrees to that mark. We'll head into the upper 80s across the region, a few low 90s down to the south. I'm going the official forecast of 89 degrees for us here in town. You know, we had those widespread showers and the storms yesterday that produced some heavy rainfall at times. Well, today, a little bit different story. Only about a 20% chance of an isolated shower as we move through the afternoon and evening hours. So that's good news. If you've got outdoor plans this afternoon, keep them intact. Maybe even grab lunch, or you're about to grab lunch outside. I don't think you have an issue with that for us here today. As we check out one of the high-resolution forecast models, you can see partly cloudy skies expected now and over the next hour or so, but some changes do arrive. Some rain along the coastline, that pushes east. That's not going to affect us, but we could see a few isolated storms pop up. We'll press this in motion now. You can see there it is right there. Got a couple of storms here from Franklin County down through Wake County here. That's concerning to me because I'm forecasted a 20% chance of rain, and it's over one of our heavily populated areas here in the Triangle. And so we'll see what happens here with this. The forecast model's been consistent with these cells developing, but most of the region still staying dry through the afternoon hours. Only about a 20 to 30% chance of rain for any one given location. Tomorrow, though, more widespread showers and storms. We're going to continue that trend for increasing rain chances on and through the weekend. You can see it here, just isolated storms today. More scattered, a little bit more scattered tomorrow, then widespread for us here on Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Some heavy rain potential for us here on Monday as well. When you wrap it up, the whole weekend total, we're looking at maybe an inch to an inch and a half of rain across the majority of central North Carolina. Heavier amounts to our east, 2 to 2.5 inches of rain in total. So let's go and break it down day by day. Again today, 89 degrees, 20% chance of rain. For tomorrow, though, we'll hit the mid-90s, 94 degrees. A little bit more widespread coverage, going 30% chance of rain tomorrow. But check out Sunday and Monday especially. 60% chance of rain on Sunday. Widespread showers and thunderstorms on Monday. Could see some heavier downpours. But the good news is, if you'd like to have some more dry weather, well, the extended forecast period, we get on into next week. We do dry out, but look at that. We're back to the mid-90s.